night dot 10. And guess what we're gonna do?
Camp.
2
days camping.
Yes, ito is copy guys. So I don't know what will gonna happen guys for one night. So tingnan natin kung sinong bibigay.
Para uuwi to.
Okay, para uuwi.
Malamig pa naman yung sand.
Okay ko. So
we are in a tent.
guys,
So, isang tent sa akin, isang tent sa kanya.
oh, nandun yung tent
Nandun
ko.
yung tent niya.
You know.
You know.
Pero dito muna ako.
So, ito yung nangyari nung habang inano ko yung
Thank you, my love. Siya po talaga
when I
nag-ano.
open the tent, when I try to, uninstall the tent.
Install.
This what happened to my finger. But it's okay. Sanay naman akong laging nasasaktan.
Wow! Charu! So guys, we will just update you kung ano mangyayari dito sa camping na to. So guys, magchika-chika muna kami guys ha.
Bye-bye guys.
Later na lang.
See you later.
A few moments later.
Come back.
We're going to
Sobrang
gather
haggard.
some woods. We are in the woods.
Actually, we've been in the beach na for
Half day.
Hindi, alas 10 yun eh. Mga 6 hours siguro kami nasa ano. So ngayon guys,
Ang sabi ng bangs mo.
ano bang putik yan. Guys, ito yung tips
Tip
Pag
ko
you're
sa
so
inyo.
bored in your house, huwag kayong mag-bangs guys. Tignan mo yung ginawa ko sa bangs ko.
Yeah.
My goodness. Alam, bakit kaya hindi, stress lang yan guys. No, ganyan yan nung
Na-stress
pagputol
yung
ko.
bangs niya.
Na-stress siguro yan. So ngayon, ang gagawin namin
Ay, wala
is
dito yung horse. It's supposed to be, nandito si Goliath. If you live in Discovery Bay, you should know that there's one horse.
wait.
Yeah, we're going there.
Wait
Into
lang.
the bush.
So, ang gagawin namin is mga homigos.
Uy,
Hello!
pwede ta mangihi diri.
Pag-ihi
Wow,
naman.
may naghubad, naibiyaan.
Oh my.
May naiwan.
Uy, may last baka na ni Hasan ni Ho.
Oh!
Mom.
I've never been here, so yeah.
I know, I never.
Wow! Hoy, una-una, mamunit og kahoy.
Oh, mga
Sige, ikaw lang diha mag-video.
Ay, siya guys. Taga-video na ko guys. Tama nga kami guys kay we need some fire mamaya ba kay you know, pag nasa island kuno malapit lang naman to.
Isla talaga to sa amin. So for all you know, uy, dami kahoy. Sa aking kambal, ang ibigay.
Moni siya guys, mga hoy daw ni Sidza.
Sa aking kamay. Na 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 na. Ano to sa interaction na lang? La la la. La 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 la. Kanahoy! Kahoy! Huwag mo jigit punit bisag pusang kahoy man lang.
Okay, dano, tulo.
Ang sabi ito, ang channel na ito ay multi-language.
Matay lang guys.
We're using English. We're using Tagalog. And original languages, Bisaya. What else do you know? Comment down below. Any suggestion language?
Di ba marunong ka mag-Arab?
Ay, marunong kami mga M's and some Sims.
Mag-Arab. Dali
Ah,
daw.
yes, Arabi.
Uy, my love, baka may ahas na kasi dito.
Wala.
Mapapalayo tayo. Are you sure?
No! May mga bikers na nag-ano dito.
Loves, ano masasabi mo sa goy, sakit. Loko, tinamaan ako. May suan.
Ang kahoy po dito, marupok, para pong mga nangahoy. Para po sa mga nangangahoy. Para pareha sa mga nangahoy. Marupok!
Sino marapak sa atin?
Ikaw.
Wala.
Bakit? Kailan ba ako
Nag-imarap.
bumalik pa ulit-ulit sa ex ko?
Oh, sige na nga guys. Kwentuhang ex na to eh.
Joke lang yun. I mean,
Uy, wala talaga tayong nakuhang kahoy, my love.
meron hoy, ito. My favorite brand.
Hi guys.
Kaya sa mga kamaliko.
Mamalit
So, namalit men. We are here in Welcome. We're going to buy something.
Wine daw, white wine daw.
Give me,
white
give
wine.
me. Pag hinay kay masagi kay sig video. Dara. Anong gagawin buhay? Nainitidahay ko. Bakit naitin ako isa? Charmaine. Ano yun? Nakantin naman lang.
1 for 80? Parang mahal ang Carlo Rossi, di ba? Usually, yun yung iniinom natin sa ano, my loves na.
I don't like it.
Usually naman, you don't like it, pero
Oyster.
nasa Pinas tayo, yun yung
Ayaw,
binibili
pero,
ko.
I mean, sus. So, dinami-dami ko na matikman. Ayaw ko na niya. O, tinan mo, Moscato. Tatlo, 150.
Asan? Wine ba yan?
Oh my God, Hardee's. Hardee's Labs.
Tingnan mo ko ilang percent yan.
13 normally ni 13.
Did you toy?
Ay! What's up, ma'am? Cheers. Ayan, na naman ako. Ayoko na masabi. No one in 1 year. Tapos wala kang gift. Hindi ko alam yung reward ko. I need to know. Malay ko kung bigyan mo lang ako piso.
Kaya mo yan, Mela. 1 year.
No man. Bakit? Kaya ko yung 2014 to 2016. 2 years no man. No. Bam bam bam.
Time check. 1 na po, guys. And we're
Ano oras na? Oh my God, 1 na.
And we're about to sleep.
Hi neighbor.
Good night, my loves.
Good night, people of the earth. And to the Mars and Venus. Wala na pong Pluto, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. What else? What are the other
Mercury.
planets? Huh?
Mars.
Neptune, yeah. Sinabi ko na. Mars pa, mahuhuli, di ba? No. Okay, mag-counting tayo ng planets before we go to sleep. Earth.
Anong
Mars.
Earth? Hindi naman Earth yung una.
Di, wala namang random dyan. Earth, Mars, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter. Yes! Ba? Okay, wait.
Pluto.
8 na ngayon kasi patay na yung Pluto. Mars, Earth, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter. What are the 2? Tulungan mo ako, wag kang ano dyan.
Search mo sa Google.
Huh?
Uranus na ano mo na? Neptune.
Yeah.
Jupiter. Nakalimutan ko.
Venus.
Venus.
Venus. Isa pa. Oh my God. Maghuhulaan tayo, my loves. Dyan ta nakasagot ulagot.
Matutulog na ako. Dapat sa'yo yun eh.
Mag-movie ta, loves.
Tutulog na nga. Bukas na.
Nabuhayin mo kung loob. Hindi, sige, matulog na. Sige, good night na, guys. Sino pong bukas po pagising namin, kailangan masagot na po namin yung 8 planets. Kulang po kami ng isa. Okay? Walang mag-google search. Bye. Good night. See you tomorrow.
12 seconds later.
So guys, after an hour, charot lang, hindi hour. Ano? We figure out what's missing. You know what's missing, planet? I knew. No, she knew. Pharmacy ng Philippines. Mercury Drugstore. That's the missing planet.
Good night.
Good night, guys. Nabuhayan ang loob ko. Bye.
The next day.
Hintay ko lang ito.
Sabi ko pag na-visit si Lupina, lagot.
Kasi nung naano sila, nung gumalaw ako, ikot pa yung ano ko.
Oh, pero kaya sabi ko. May harang.
Sa boat.
Hi guys!
Good morning. Walang good sa morning.
Actually, we haven't slept a lot kasi from 1 a.m.
Yeah, it's like 1 a.m. something.
Yeah, something like that. And we woke up around 5. It's so noisy guys kasi basta mas too noisy.
That boat is so noisy. So whoever, kung may viewers man po kami na nandito sa DB at kasali dyan sa Dragon Team na yan, hate you.
Hey, no.
I don't hate you, but I don't like
Gisingin
you.
niya lang yung hindi lasing. Joke. So, ayan.
Bakit for us natulog pero maganda pa rin
Oo,
ang
ang ganda
camera.
natin.
Sa camera mo, maganda.
Sexy! Ta! What is it?
I thought it's a garbage, but it's a,
What is it?
I think it's this jellyfish.
Are you
biggest
sure
one.
it's jellyfish?
Yeah, kind of. But
Oh,
It was-
can you put it here?
cut off. Na-cut off na siya. So, look.
So it's, wag mo na siyang ibalik kasi ano.
Oo, yan yung nangangamoy kasi syempre namatay sila.
Ah. Oh, it smells so, oh, it's too big ah.
Yeah. I mean, I think it's more bigger. Bigger pa yun siya. Ito yung nakaputol, oh.
Oh, oo,
Mas malaki
kawawa
yan.
naman. Or baka sinadya talagang naputol to.
Hindi.
Di ba we cannot touch this one kasi ano?
You can touch it dead.
Are you sure? Hindi siya yung makate? Hi guys! Right now,
Na-premyo ha. Na-premyo ha. I'm collecting garbage. Oh,
Mother Nature po talaga si my love.
kasi ano, may coastal ano dito. Parang ano
Clean
tawag
up?
doon? Oo.
Hello! Yeah!
Hey,
Hey! Why not try to clean up there sa part na nandun tayo? No?
sa water ang maganda kasi bastos. Sa water kasi mas basura, basura kay mas water.
Dun na lang banda my loves. Kasi nandun tayo eh. Baka ano pa tayo.
Ulo, tissue lang.
Why? Talagang nag-volunteer.
Mga 10 pieces.
Oh, 10
10
pieces.
pieces na po. So nakakatatlo na ako.
Ayun pa oh, malaki.
Yan.
Sa can. Ano yan siya? May laman? Nilak mo ba yung ano doon?
Kaya sinarado ko yan.
Ayun pa may loves oh.
Kasi ito yung mga bagay na hindi siya natutunaw. Like that. You can leave. Yung mga dahon, okay lang yun kasi dahon naman yun. But then like this, hindi. Ayun ako bibigyan. Yun no? Parang ginagamit to sa ano?
Saan?
Yung nandun, malaki na yun masyado eh.
Yung jelly kunin mo doon.
No!
Tada! Bulldog to, di ba?
I don't know. What kind of dog is Jollibee? Bulldog. So you be careful. Because bulldog are... yeah? No, they are nice. But you know, when they try to hurt them, right?
Some, like, I don't know. I've seen homeless dogs.
Yes.
They don't treat dogs well.
Yes. Some people are, you know...
Don't
Do you
know
love
me,
dogs
right?
a lot?
I got two.
I didn't see the other one.
I'll show you the picture.
Oh, you have 2 dogs.
But I've always seen you with... Labs, murag manghihin na lang sa kwentay.
Ay, tatay.
I think, yeah.
Ay,
But I've always seen you with Jollibee only.
Jollibee. Ito. The name of this dog is Jollibee.
Yeah.
Jollibee! I am me.
Labs, i-disturb ni mo na.
You know?
Maka taihan ka niyan.
Pagtataiyan ka ganun. Pag-ihiyan ka ganun.
I don't know. That's it for today and
Thank you for this video. And
tips or
oh, let's give some tips.
advices, no?
If you go
Going
for a camp,
You better take a shower, like whole shower. Take your moment before going out home. Shower, yeah, deep shower, and then just bring your toothbrush or toothpaste.
I bring
That's
my-
very important. And bring more tissue and wet wipes. And yeah, alcohol. Of
And
course, if you
bring
cannot
it
bring
extra-
1 gallon of water,
extra dresses, extra undies, you know.
extra, you know what kind of extra, real important. You don't expect like when you're in the country, you're gonna take shower the next morning. Then no,
We smell so stinky right now.
I can smell myself, but I don't smell her. But she can maybe smell herself.
I can smell myself right now. So that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you enjoy our video. So we're just sharing to you what kind of adventures we had
Yesterday and today.
today. So thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't
Thank-
forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and
Comment
comment down
down
below
below
for any questions you have for us.
suggestion, and what do you want to know more about us?
Us.
We are very, open to
To answer it. So that's it, guys, and see you for our next vlog.
Don't forget to like and please guys like our Instagram
Below in the
below
comments.
Instagram's page and
the
our
description.
Facebook page.
So thank you, guys. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.